Did you know there are 193 member countries in the United Nations? That means almost every independent nation on Earth works together in one global organization. From global peace to human rights, the United Nations plays a huge role in shaping our world. In this video, we'll break it all down in a simple way. What is the United Nations? The United Nations, also known as the UN, is an international organization created in 1945 after World War II. It was formed because countries wanted to prevent another global war and build a safer, more peaceful world. Today, the UN is like a global meeting place where countries come together to solve major problems. Main purposes of the UN: maintaining international peace and security. The UN helps stop conflicts and supports peacekeeping missions in war zones. Promoting cooperation between countries. Countries work together on global issues like climate change, poverty, and health. Protecting human rights. The UN promotes freedom, equality, and justice for all people. Supporting global development. It helps improve education, healthcare, clean water, and infrastructure in developing countries. The headquarters of the UN is in New York City, USA, where world leaders meet to discuss global issues. Why are there 193 member countries? The United Nations currently has 193 member states because these are the widely recognized independent countries of the world. Each member country has its own government, is internationally recognized, has voting rights in the UN General Assembly. The UN grows as new countries become independent and are accepted by the international community. Example: the newest member is South Sudan, which joined in 2011 after becoming independent. Important fact: every member country has one vote, no matter how big or small it is. That means countries like the United States, India, and China have the same voting power as smaller nations like Malta or Fiji. How UN countries are spread across the world. The 193 UN member countries are spread across all continents of the world. Africa, 54 countries. Africa has the most countries, many with rich cultures and fast-growing populations. Asia, 48 countries. Asia includes the largest population in the world, including China and India. Europe, 44 countries. Europe has many developed nations and strong economic unions. Latin America and Caribbean, 33 countries. This region is known for its cultural diversity and natural beauty. Oceania, 14 countries. This includes Australia, New Zealand, and many small island nations in the Pacific. Countries and territories outside full membership. Not every region in the world is a full UN member. Some have special status. Vatican City. The Vatican is an observer state, meaning it can participate in discussions but cannot vote. Palestine. Palestine also has observer status in the UN. Other regions. There are also territories and disputed regions that are not fully recognized as independent countries by all UN members. This shows that international politics can be complex and recognition depends on global agreements. How the United Nations works. The UN is not just one organization, it is made up of several important parts. General Assembly. This is where all 193 countries meet and discuss global issues. Security Council. This group focuses on peace and security. It can make decisions about conflicts and wars. International Court of Justice. This is the UN's legal system, based in The Hague, Netherlands. It solves disputes between countries. Specialized agencies. These include organizations like the WHO, Health, and UNESCO, Education and Culture, UNICEF, Children's Rights. Each agency focuses on solving specific global problems. Amazing facts about the UN. Here are some incredible facts you should know. The UN has 6 official languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. Every year, world leaders gather for the UN General Assembly debate. The UN flag represents peace, with a world map surrounded by olive branches. The UN also celebrates global awareness days, like the International Day of Peace, World Environment Day, and Human Rights Day. So now you understand the 193 UN member countries and how the United Nations works. It's more than just a list of countries. It's a global effort to build peace, cooperation, and a better future. Which topic should we explore next? Comment below. Like this video, subscribe to GeoExplorerHub, and share with your friends.